Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, October the 16th, 2025. Record-breaking volume, fading momentum. The 5-month rally finally cracks as KSE 100 confirms its first lower high since May. Let's take a closer look. So this is where we stand. A 1241 point drop for the day, minus 0.75%. But more importantly, look at this. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then a lower high. We have now finally reached the first lower high in this upswing since May, which is a telling feature. But most importantly, let's take a look at our indicators. First, the volume, 1.39 billion as opposed to a 10-day average of 750 million. Now, this is not only very high volume, which signifies clear distribution print and a caution flag, it is also the highest volume we have on record going all the way back to 2016, to which we have records. So this is a very big flag. This was a very major sell-off today. And also take a look at the RSI. The momentum is decreasing. MACD is still in a bearish death cross, with the histogram getting darker red. And the ADX shows falling trend strength. It means the trend is now losing strength. It is a very interesting point still because the index still found support on the 10-day exponential moving average. It is still above all important moving averages and all moving averages still pointing upwards. So there is still a way to go before this trend truly dissipates. The lower high has not been broken yet. So a verdict for the day would be that the bulls are clinging to the 10-day exponential moving average. But the lower high here plus record distribution volume over here plus a MACD sell sign clear over here shift the risk to the downside. So if you have a tactical stance that where you're still looking to buy the dip, do it only while the index is still above 162,600, if you see here, which is a 20-day exponential moving average stack. On the other hand, though, you should be quick to reduce if the index closes below 164,200 in a break like there. If you see, this is the 10-day exponential moving average cluster area. Conversely, a strong claim of 166,900 would neutralize today's damage and reopen a run at the highs. So the market is clinging at a very fragile point right now. It will take the market action of the next 2 or 3 days to confirm which direction it's going to take. For now, the higher high, higher low setup that was in play once again since May has dissipated. Stay tuned.